I did get to see a baby kangaroo. Yeah, when we were camping, there was like baby kangaroo with his mom. So cute. My name is Makana, and I'm a second-year medical student here at Macquarie. I'm originally from Calgary, Alberta, but I've been living here in Sydney for 4 years now. When I was in my bachelor's, I came over to Australia to do a semester abroad here at Macquarie, and I fell in love with both Australia and Macquarie. I knew instantly that I wanted to study here, and when I went home to finish my degree, I found OzTREKK and applied to come back. I couldn't have done this without OzTREKK. They allowed me to jump across the other side of the world and find my new dream and a country that I absolutely love living in. What I've loved most about Macquarie and my degree here is how small the cohort is. There's only 60 of us, and it's really easy to get to know all my classmates, all my professors. It's really nice that there's a bunch of different types of classes. So we have anatomy labs, we have unit-based tutorials, case-based tutorials, lectures, so it allows us to have a lot of different ways of learning. Macquarie University is great. We actually have a hospital attached right to our building. So where we do our classes, there's a +15 and we can walk straight over to the hospital. We get to go and see some patients. We do bedside tutorials with a tutor and get to ask them about their journey and the reason that they're in hospital. We have some other really neat facilities here on campus. We've got some clinic rooms where they're set up just like a GP office. We get to practice. We also have some anatomy labs where we get to go and learn with cadavers. We have a simulation room where we have a robot and we're able to practice as though that they're a patient. So there's a lot of opportunities and a lot of facilities here on Macquarie that let us learn and perfect our skills. I love going down to Maroubra Beach. It's right near where I live, and it's super easy to jump down into the rock pools, go swimming in the evenings. It's open all the time. I also love going hiking the Blue Mountains. There's so many different trails and waterfalls and beautiful scenery to just go and look at. It's really fascinating when you see the Blue Mountains. You just see this blue glow over the top, and you can see so far in the distance it looks like it just never ends. So I love Australia, how there's the big cities, but you can also just go an hour or two out of the city and you're in these small, remote, isolated towns. They've got a lot of character and different feel than the big city. I plan to stay in Australia. When I finish med school, I'm hoping to go rurally and work in some of the smaller towns outside of the big city.